The Lakeland housing market numbers are in for December 2025, and we got some good news and we got some bad news. So as far as homes under contract in Lakeland, Florida, we have pending sales up 6%. As far as new listings in Lakeland, we're up 21% for December. And the biggest zip code where we had the newest listings was 33810. It's up 103% of new listings. So that's a big one. So let's apply that. If you're thinking of selling in 33810, you got a lot of listings there, so you have to price your home correctly. Another big zip code was 33811. They had 90% more active listings in December. If you're thinking about listing in 33811, you're gonna have a lot of competition in there too. One is 33809, 61% increase. Let's look at a zip code where active listings are way down. So then that could be a good opportunity for you to sell your home in that zip code. So 3805 zip code has less active listings, 16% in December. So if you have a home in that area, that would be a good time to sell. Okay, so now let's look at the average days on the market. That's a big indicator of what's happening in the housing market. So in December in Lakeland, it increased. Average days on the market in Lakeland increased 25.5%. Here this time it was 55 days. Now 69 days on the market. So if you're thinking about selling your home, expect at least 69 days on the market, unless you market it under value, or you have this unbelievable property in the best location, you positioned it well, then it may be less than that. Now let's look at zip codes that decrease the average days on the market. 3815 decreased their average days on the market from 58 days to 29 days. That's crazy. And 33811, average days on the market increased 51%. So if you are thinking about selling your house, you need to consider that the days on the market have increased, except for 33815. In Lakeland, good news, we are up 15.8% in sales in December. The biggest area code was 33811. That increased 73%. 33801 increased 60% in sales. Now let's look at the zip codes that didn't do well in sales in December. 33812 went down 50% in sales. 33815 went down 37.5% in sales. If you're thinking about selling in those areas, you may consider that sales are way down. So if you're thinking about selling or buying, contact Elizabeth Willers with Serhant and let's get you in your dream home.